Hey everyone, आज के इस विश्लेषण में आपका बहुत-बहुत स्वागत है. Today, we're diving straight into a massive YouTube phenomenon that has completely taken over our playlists. Seriously, if you've spent any time on YouTube India recently, you've definitely crossed paths with it. We are talking about the absolutely unstoppable rise of the Bollywood lo-fi and slowed plus reverb music trend. It's everywhere. So let's jump right in and decode what's actually happening behind the screens.
So, picture this. Imagine करो एक late night study session चल रहा है या फिर you're just out on a long peaceful midnight drive. What's playing in the background? For millions of young Indians today, the answer isn't some high energy dance track and it definitely isn't total silence either. They have a very specific, carefully crafted type of background music just for these exact moments.
To give you an idea of how crazy this is, just look at this number. That is over 2.7 million views for just one single upload, the Mindfresh lo-fi mashup by a channel called 8D Audix. And trust me, this is literally just the tip of the iceberg. This isn't a one-off viral hit, it's proof of a massive listening phenomenon that's taken over the whole country.
आज इस ट्रेंड को हम 4 सिंपल पार्ट्स में समझेंगे. First up, we'll look at the Bollywood lo-fi trend itself. Then, we'll decode what slowed and reverb actually means. Third, we'll look at the Arijit Singh factor, followed by the wider relaxation music ecosystem, and finally, we'll wrap it all up with a quick summary.
Oh, right. Let's kick things off with part 1, the Bollywood lo-fi trend. Look at how the creators themselves describe this music. The description from that 80 Audix video literally says, perfect for relaxation, long drives, or romantic moments, blended with mind-fresh lo-fi beats. They're not hiding anything. They're telling you exactly what mood this music is engineered to create. Ye gaane specifically आपके mind को relax करने और एक soothing environment बनाने के लिए ही design किए गए हैं.
And we aren't just talking about a couple of random edits made in someone's bedroom. The scale of this operation is mind-blowing. This channel has over 171,000 subscribers, but get this. Their mind-relaxing lo-fi songs playlist has a whopping 341 episodes. Yet एक massive industrial-scale output it. Plus, it's not limited to Hindi. They're pumping out these tracks in Telugu, Tamil, and Punjabi too. It's a well-oiled machine catering to a nationwide demand for calm.
Which brings us to part 2, decoding slowed and reverb. For anyone who might be new to audio editing, let's break this down super simply. Slowed plus reverb basically means taking a normal track and tweaking 2 things. First, slowed, literally reducing the tempo, yes, speed of the song. Second, reverb, which is adding a spatial echo. सोचो जैसे आप किसी खाली bathroom में गा रहे हो या किसी पहाड़ी वादी में चल रहे हो और वहाँ से एक प्यारी सी गूंज आती है. That echo is reverb. When you combine them, you get this incredibly dreamy, heavy, and emotional atmosphere.
The whole magic lies in the contrast. Original Bollywood tracks are usually fast, highly energetic, and theatrical, right? They're meant for dancing at weddings or going crazy in clubs. But the slowed and reverb versions flip that entirely. They take that exact same familiar melody and mutate it into something calm and peaceful. Track की सारी energy को बिल्कुल tone down कर दिया जाता है.
Ultimately, the entire point of this editing style is transforming active listening into passive vibes. अब का primary goal dance करना या lyrics पे focus करना बिल्कुल नहीं है. The goal is just to create a vibe. आप पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, coding कर रहे हैं, या बस आराम कर रहे हैं, ये music एक comfort blanket की तरह आपके background में चलता रहता है. Moving right along to part 3, the Arijit Singh factor. If you dive into the data, you'll see there is an actual, literal formula these creators use to guarantee millions of views. Step 1. Pick Arijit Singh love songs, because let's face it, his voice naturally carries that deep emotion and melancholy. Step 2. Drop the tempo and drown it in reverb to make it super dreamy. Step 3. Package the whole thing with a calming thumbnail and a title like Mindfresh or Study Mashup. ये एक perfect, fail-proof recipe बन चुकी है YouTube success के लिए. And the sheer dominance of Arijit Singh's voice in this specific space is staggering. Just look at these numbers pulled straight from our source data. A mashup by #50remix is sitting at 11 million views. An older 8D Audix video is at 4.6 million, and the 2025 mashup is at 2.7 million. When viewers want to feel relaxed, but also a little emotional, they specifically search for RG. Let's move to part 4, the relaxation music ecosystem. See, this doesn't exist in a vacuum. If you look at the sidebar recommendations on YouTube while playing one of these tracks, the algorithm groups it with some very specific companions. Aapka Bollywood Lo-Fi is a much wider, mind-relaxing ecosystem ka hissa hai. The algorithm connects it to frequency healing sounds like 432 Hz, chill acoustic covers, and Zen instrumental music. Basically, YouTube algorithm knows that if you clicked on slowed and reverb, your ultimate goal is just to de-stress. Look at what actually pops up next. You get stuff like 432 Hz plus 963 Hz, deepest healing sleep for body regeneration. You've got Chinese Zen music with bamboo flutes, deep sleep piano and rain sounds, or chill English acoustic love songs. The diversity is wild. From a heartbreaking Bollywood sad song, the algorithm seamlessly hands you off to global ambient sounds just to keep you relaxed and listening for hours on end.
What this really tells us is that YouTube has fundamentally become a digital therapist for millions of users. Whether someone is searching for daisy beats for a midnight study session or specific frequency sounds for sleep and anxiety, the core product being sold here isn't just music anymore. It is peace of mind. It's a free, accessible tool for emotional regulation in a really noisy, chaotic world.
Finally, Part 5, Final Summary and Takeaways.
Let's do a super quick revision of what we've learned today. Number 1, the slowed plus reverb effect is a genius trick that turns high energy hits into incredibly calm background vibes for studying or driving. Number 2, Arijit Singh is absolutely the undisputed face of this emotional formula in India. And number 3, this whole trend is just one small branch of a massive global relaxation ecosystem on YouTube that acts as your digital therapist.
So I want to leave you with a question. What track are you going to play on your next long drive or a late night grind? The next time you put your headphones on and zone out to a slowed and reverb track, you'll know exactly the algorithmic science and audio magic happening right behind the scenes. Keep observing these digital trends around you and never stop learning. अगर आपको आज का ये विश्लेषण पसंद आया, तो please hit that like button, share this with your late night study buddies, and make sure to subscribe for more amazing insights. Until next time, stay relaxed and keep exploring.